We're at the rescue. We're doing our potty break before we load up in about 30 minutes. So everybody gets to play around. Only one of them's gone potty because they were too busy worrying about the other dogs. It looks like Bessie got a scratch under her eye, but you know, they play rough. Yep, there's Janie. Say hi, Janie.
Hi.
Okay, y'all go potty. Gonna load up in a little bit. There's your babies. Oh, I can't talk because they'll run over here. I can't talk and they'll run over there. Y'all go potties. Bessie, we need to go potties, baby. Come on. Oh, really? Oh, really? You talking to Baron? Oh, you tell him. Very self-confident little puppies until they're not. There's a lot of stuff to smell over here. Love and hugs.